Introducing the Personal Monitoring Top Spy application, created specifically to meet your needs. Available on any Android, iPhone, and BlackBerry device. It is the easiest, most reliable, and cheapest way to keep an eye on the people you care about. Uncover the truth easily by secretly tracking their cell phone activities. So how does Top Spy actually work? You install the Top Spy application only once on the phone you would like to track. No need to get a hold of that device afterwards. After installing the app, Top Spy will automatically start uploading phone activities to an encrypted and secure data storage location. You will be given access to monitor the cell phone remotely. Review the data instantly by simply logging into your control panel from any internet-supported device or by downloading the mobile app onto your cell phone. You are able to record all incoming and outgoing calls, and also set up to record the surrounding sound remotely to hear what is going on at that specific time. Check if your kids are where they should be. Track location in real time. Check call history, all incoming and outgoing text messages, web browsing history, photos, social network messengers, and even more features. The best part about it is that the app is absolutely undetectable and the installation process is easy, taking less than 5 minutes. Over 100,000 satisfied customers all around the world have already had an amazing high-end experience with Top Spy. We are certain that you will have a tremendous cell phone monitoring solution for protecting the people you love by using our app. Top Spy, the most advanced yet totally undetectable cell phone spy app that lets you easily track any mobile device.